Hello everyone, Steve from Tech Toy Tinker and Retro Arena. I wanted to do a video I've been waiting on doing for a while actually, but I had such a huge backlog of devices that it takes me forever to get back to things sometimes. This here is an Odroid Go Advance in a metal shell. And I'm working on an update for it quietly for a while now. Not everything's added to the front end yet. You can see here, for example, I got Odroid Super game module. A lot of the stuff you see in the newer builds, like for the Arc and things like that, I've gone and moved them all back into these older devices. So I'm doing the Odroid Go Advance, Odroid Go Super, the 351 series, like the 351V, stuff like that. As I said, though, not everything is running through emulation station yet. So if I were to launch RetroArch here, for example, and then I were to go to load content and to my ROMs folder, and I were to go to like, yeah, we'll do this, just why not? Simple and straightforward, should work fine. So TV, video computer, or Enterprise 128, all that stuff, that's all been added here. Mini VMAC. Works nice, looks nice. Also, I think it's under options. Yeah, it's got to be under options. Nope, I'm wrong, tools. Okay, so. Theme Master has been updated to the latest version. And I'm saving the best update for last. There's obviously a bunch of new systems and things like that, but there's some other interesting things here as well. Unless Theme Master's decided it doesn't want to work for me for some reason. Ironically, I was just using it. Oh, there we go. Decided to take its time for whatever reason. Maybe it was installing something. Or maybe it's been updated. Normally it's not quite so slow. I don't know what it's doing here. Probably just irritating me because I'm recording a video. Yeah, it said there was an update, I believe. There we go. It let me exit. Good enough. So now Portmaster here. Now we're getting down to the real juicy stuff. I hate how my camera keeps auto-focusing and then not actually focusing on what I want it to. So Portmaster here, the first time you run it on a fresh boot, will take a minute to boot because it's doing some stuff. It also gets updated a lot, so it's highly possible there will be an update by the time you install this. It's not released yet. This build will probably take another week or two to come out. Don't forget this here is the hotkey. Volume. Brightness. I know what's happening. My internet signal is weak because I'm far from the router and using 2.4 internet. That's the problem. Let me see if I just... Yeah, that's the problem, is the internet's being... So as you can see though, we got the new Portmaster there. It's currently up to date. Everything is as it should be. I've already installed a bunch of ports. I haven't really tested too many of them, but I mean, Portmaster always worked on these older devices, so I don't really see... There might be a couple of games that don't work, but generally speaking, I don't really see it being a situation where a whole ton of games just don't really work anymore. You do have to keep in mind also this device is from 2019. The stuff we've had over the last couple of years is definitely a bit snappier at doing things. Though it could just be the SD card I'm using. I'm using one of those cheapo, slow ones, and it doesn't really seem to like it. But having only one port, I needed to use a card that was going to let me, you know. So as you can see, though, Portmaster is working fine. Things are looking like they should be. Got a bunch of new systems we're adding. This device is OTA updatable. However, I think that this new build will probably require a reflash just because so much is done. But yeah, it works on OGS as well, not just OGA. And it'll be coming to the 351 stuff as well from Anbernic. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here, though. I don't want to make the video too long. Just wanted to share the new build we're working on here. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.